Get ready to unlock the secrets of acing the IELTS listening test by mastering the art of identifying the main idea. This skill is your golden key to success, but it doesn't come overnight. It's like training for a marathon, requiring dedication, practice, and the right techniques. So, let's dive into the strategies that will transform you into a listening champion. Ready to tackle any IELTS challenge that comes your way? Think of your question sheet as a treasure map, where keywords are your compass. Before the audio plays, skim through the questions to spot these golden nuggets. They could be anything from specific names and places to crucial dates. Highlight or underline these keywords. They'll serve as beacons, guiding you through the audio and helping you pinpoint the main idea amidst the sea of information. Don't just listen with a plan. Get a head start by understanding the context from the text provided. Who's speaking? And what's their angle? What's the situation? This isn't just about filling gaps. It's about building a bridge of understanding even before the speaker starts. This proactive approach turns you into a more efficient listener, ready to connect the dots in real time. Your speaker isn't just talking, they're guiding you. Listen for signpost words like firstly, on the other hand, or summing up. These aren't just filler words, they're your clues to shifts in the narrative, highlighting when you need to perk up your ears for key details. In the IELTS listening test, precision is key. The answers are often mirrored in the word count of the recording. Don't fall into the trap of over-summarizing or getting too creative. And yes, spelling counts, so keep your answers accurate and to the point. These strategies are your toolkit for success, but remember, the real magic happens with consistent practice. Dive into authentic IELTS materials, start with manageable chunks, and gradually increase the complexity. It's about building endurance, fine-tuning your skills, and preparing yourself for the marathon that is the IELTS listening test. And remember, warriors, this journey is about progress, not perfection. Each step, each practice session, brings you closer to your goal. So, tune into English every day, challenge yourself with diverse listening materials, and watch as your ability to grasp the main idea becomes second nature. Click in the description for IELTS playlist of videos to boost your IELTS score.